Motorcycles for beginners, the ultimate guide. Yamaha YZF-R3. The Yamaha YZF-R3 stands out as one of the top choices for beginner riders who are looking to enter the world of sport motorcycles. With its lightweight frame, manageable power, and sporty design, the YZF-R3 offers the perfect balance of performance and ease of handling, making it an excellent option for new riders who want an exciting yet approachable bike. Engine and performance. The Yamaha YZF-R3 is powered by a 321 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, producing around 42 horsepower, which is perfect for beginners. This engine offers a smooth and responsive ride, providing enough power to keep new riders engaged while remaining manageable for those still building confidence on the road. The 6-speed gearbox allows for smooth, precise shifts, and the bike's lightweight nature ensures agility in both city traffic and on twisty backroads. The YZF-R3's performance is designed to give beginners a taste of sport bike dynamics without being intimidating. Its 180 kilograms, 397 pounds dry weight makes it easy to maneuver, while the low seat height, at around 780 millimeters, ensures that even shorter riders can feel confident when stopping and starting. Comfort and ergonomics. The Yamaha YZF-R3 features a slightly aggressive, yet comfortable, riding position. The slightly lean-forward posture is characteristic of sport bikes, but it isn't extreme, so new riders won't feel overly strained. The seat is designed to offer comfort for a variety of riding experiences, whether commuting or taking longer weekend trips. The bike's suspension, comprising a 41mm telescopic fork in the front and a monocross rear shock, provides a smooth ride, absorbing bumps in the road with ease. While the suspension isn't fully adjustable, it's more than capable for beginner riders, making it a solid choice for various road conditions. Advanced features. The Yamaha YZF-R3 comes equipped with features that make it suitable for new riders, as well as those looking for a bit more performance. LED lighting. The bike features modern LED headlights and turn signals, which improve visibility and add a sleek, futuristic look to the motorcycle. ABS brakes. The optional anti-lock braking system and #40, ABS and #41, provides added safety, helping to prevent the wheels from locking during hard braking, especially in wet conditions. Digital instrument cluster. The digital display is clean and easy to read, providing essential information like speed, gear position, fuel level, and more, in a user-friendly format. The verdict. The Yamaha YZF-R3 is a top contender in the beginner sport bike category, offering a fantastic blend of lightweight handling, reliable power, and modern features. Whether you're looking to commute, explore twisty roads, or enjoy track days, the YZF-R3 provides the ideal platform to build your riding skills. Its approachable performance, combined with Yamaha's reputation for reliability, makes it an excellent choice for new riders eager to embrace the sport bike experience.